Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block ads on any website in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, there are two methods. One is built-in and one is through extension. I will guide you with both these methods and you should able to block every type of ads in the Vivaldi browser. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon. In the drop down menu, select settings. Under Vivaldi settings, click on this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one tracker and ad blocking section. Here you will see blocking label. Under blocking label, ensure you have selected block trackers and ads. This one is built-in method. It should block all the ads on your Vivaldi browser. In case it does not work for you, you can use an extension. For that, again open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon. In the drop down menu, select hover mouse over tools and then click on this one extensions option. Here, click on this one Chrome Web Store link. Now in the search box type add guard, and in case you don't find add guard ad blocker extension here because looks like Google has removed this one, so you need to go to its official website of AdGuard. I will put this one link, direct link in this video description. After visiting this link in the Vivaldi browser, scroll down and click on this one install button that says browser extension for Chrome. All the extensions of Chrome are compatible with Vivaldi browser, so you can install it without any issue. Just click on this one install button. This will open a new tab. Here you will find AdGuard ad blocker, and beside that just click on this one add to Chrome button. Again click on this one add extension in the pop-up window. This will download AdGuard ad blocker on your Vivaldi browser and automatically install it for you. You need to wait a few seconds. After installing, this will download the latest database filters of this one AdGuard. After downloading and installing database filters, you will see something like this. Just close this one window and now you can visit any website and you should not see any ads on any website including YouTube. Just try. I am showing just for an example. I am showing with Gear Up Windows. It will not load any ads. Similarly, you can try with any of the website. You will not find any ads on any website while using Vivaldi browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. That's all about this video.